Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Plesk auto updates on a VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Plesk auto updates on your VPS, start by accessing your server via SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY for Windows or the terminal app on Mac OS. Enter your server's IP address and select SSH as the connection type. Log in with your username, typically root, and enter your password when prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the Plesk configuration directory by typing the command cd/usr/local/psa/admin/conf. Next, open the configuration file using a text editor like nano or 6. For example, type nanoconfig.php to open the file in nano. Locate the line that mentions auto update settings. Change the value from true to false to disable auto updates. Save your changes and exit the text editor. If you're using Nano, press Ctrl+X, then Y to confirm changes, and Enter to exit. After editing the configuration file, you may want to restart the Plesk service to apply your changes. Use the command service swcp server restart. You can also check the current update settings by typing Plesk help update. This command will provide you with the current status and settings related to updates. Once you confirm that auto updates are disabled, log out of your SSH session. You can do this by typing exit. Now, you have successfully disabled Plesk auto updates on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.